Step 1 is to organize your debts. Just like setting up dominoes, you need to know what you're working with. Make a list of your debts, including balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Step 2 is to assess your options. There are various ways to consolidate your debts, such as balance transfers, personal loans, and through a debt management program like the one offered by MoneyFit. Step 3 is choosing the right strategy. Debt consolidation without a loan might be the best option for you, since it can lower your interest rates, result in waived fees, and create an affordable repayment plan. Step 4 is starting the domino effect. By consolidating your debts, you'll simplify your finances, make manageable payments, and start your journey toward becoming debt-free.